Welcome. Today, we're diving into how to turn on vibration for snaps and chats notifications on Snapchat. If you've ever missed a buzz or wished your phone would give you a little shake when a new snap or chat arrives, this guide is just what you need. It's quick, straightforward, and works with the latest updates on your phone and the app. First things first, unlock your phone and head to your phone settings. This is your command center for managing how apps behave and sending you alerts. Once you're inside settings, look for the section labeled Apps, or it might be called Apps and Notifications depending on your device. Tap on that to see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Next, scroll through the list until you find Snapchat. Tap on Snapchat to open its settings. This is where you can customize everything related to how Snapchat interacts with your device, from permissions to notifications. So, go ahead and select Notifications once you're inside Snapchat's app menu. Now you're in the heart of notification settings. You'll see several options here, but what you're looking for is notification categories. Tap on this to open up specific notification types organized by function. These categories let you control notifications with much finer detail. Under the group labeled Individual Chats, look for Snaps and Chats. This category handles alerts for new messages and snaps coming directly from your friends. Tap on Snaps and Chats, and here's the key step: toggle on Vibrate. When the vibration toggle is switched on, your phone will buzz every time you receive a snap or chat notification. That's all there is to it. Now, whenever you get a Snapchat message or snap, your phone will gently vibrate, ensuring you never miss a moment from your friends. If you want, you can also customize sound or notification styles here, but vibration is a great way to stay discreet while staying connected. Thanks for watching.